This video has been sponsored by Zellify.app. Recently, Bolt has announced a collaboration with Expo. And this gives us a power to create beautiful looking applications for Android and iOS. So today in this tutorial, we are going to harness this power of Bolt to create our very own note-taking/task managing app for Android and for iOS. I will be also showing you how can you export it as an APK file. So with that being said, let's roll the intro. Now in order to get the live preview, you need to install Expo GO. So head over to your app store and search for Expo GO. And then you will find this app, just install it. And once installed, you can open it up and simply log in into your account. And you are ready to go. So here we are inside the Bolt.New. So let's try to create a very beautiful looking task manager / note taking app. So over here you can see build a mobile app with Expo, just click on it and then describe what type of app you need. For this tutorial we are going to a task manager and note taking app. Also we are adding an additional prompt to make the app beautiful and modern. This might take some time, so wait for it.
A few moments later.
So basically scan this QR code and it will open up your Expo GO app with the live preview on your phone. Alright, so our app is ready. So we are going to switch to responsive mode and let's try to add some notes. So here I can add a new note over here, and also here are some settings which you can modify, and let's add a command that make the app fully functional and let's hit enter. Once it is completed, you will get a fully functional app with all the note management and task management application. So you can simply add your task over here, for example new, and let me save it over here, and I got my task. So let's create another task, for example walk, and let's discard it so it is not saving. Great. Now I'm going to be showing you how can you deploy this application into App Store or Play Store. So go over to here to deploy and simply choose the deployment and you will find this complete article. So this article will guide you how can you deploy your application into an App Store or Play Store. Both of them have different process, so you can go through them. I will link this document in the description. Also you can export this app into an APK file. Let me show you. Head over to deploy and deploy it to web. It will take some time to basically deploy the entire app into Netlify. So wait for it, and once it is done you will get a link like this one. Just open it up and as you can see our website is completely ready. So as you can see our web app is fully functional and fully responsive. You can add tasks, you can simply make notes, and this is great. So simply copy this link of this website, head over to Applix. I will give the link in the description again and convert this into an app. Now this will ask you for the login, so simply sign in with your email. And once you are done, you can simply add in your app name. For the app name, let's say task. And for the platform, I'm selecting Android. And let's create the app. And you can proceed with the free plan. Now you can also customize the splash screen, customization, database, and additional settings. You can also integrate ads with your app. And once it is ready, you can click on build the app and fill in the captcha. This might take some time to get your app ready. And once it is done, you can download your APK file. So this is how you can simply manage to export your app into an APK file. By the way, we have got a new store which is known as proxlite.store. You can find all the exclusive apps and codes directly from our website. Now you can download it. And this has been created using Zellify. So Zellify is a Shopify but for digital product. It is super great. You can create your own product, you can add in your product, and you can also customize the entire website. You will get a custom domain, and also it is taking less fee, which is around 1%, which is much lesser than the Gumroad or any other platform they would charge to sell your digital product. So make sure to check the Zellify out from the link in the description down below. So this was it. I hope this video was really helpful, and if it was, then consider subscribing. Hit that like button below. I will meet you in the video. Until then, keep learning. Goodbye.